Hi guys, today we're going to talk about number lines. So number lines look like this. They are horizontal lines with tally marks and different numbers below them in order. Sometimes you'll have number lines that are just positive numbers, and sometimes you'll have number lines that have positive and negative numbers on them. Number lines are really useful visual tools to help you whenever you're doing addition or subtraction problems. A couple rules about number lines. Whenever you have positive numbers in your problem, so you're doing an addition problem, you're going to move to the right on the number line. And whenever you have negative numbers in your problem, or you're doing a subtraction problem, you're going to move to the left on the number line. So let's do some example problems. The first problem is 7 plus 1. So when you're doing number lines, I like to think of number lines as a game of bunny hops. Whatever your first number is, that tells you where you're going to start on the number line. So since your first number is 7, you're going to start your bunny hops at 7 on the number line. The second number tells you how many bunny hops you're going to take and what direction you're going to take the bunny hops in. So remember, anything that's positive means moving to the right. So we're going to take one bunny hop moving to the right. Bunny hop, and we land on 8. So the correct answer for this problem, 7 plus 1 equals 8. Now for the second problem. The first number tells us where we start, so we're going to start on 5. The second number tells us how many bunny hops to take and in what direction. Positive means we're going to move to the right, and 2 tells us we're going to take 2 bunny hops to the right. 1, 2, and we land on 7. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. Now let's do some example problems that are a little bit bigger. So the first problem. The first number tells us where we start on the number line, so we're going to start at 6. And the second number tells us how many bunny hops we're going to take and in what direction. So we're going to take 3 bunny hops going to the right because 3 is positive. So 1, 2, 3, and we land on 9. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. For the next problem, we start on 14 because that's the first number, and we're going to take 1 bunny hop to the right because 1 is positive. So 1, and we landed on 15. So 14 plus 1 equals 15. Now let's do some practice with negative numbers. So the first number line only has negative numbers on it, as you can see. Now, the first number we have here is negative 10. That means we're going to start our bunny hops on negative 10. Next, we have plus 6. That means we're going to move 6 bunny hops to the right because 6 is positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After moving 6 bunny hops to the right, we landed on negative 4. So negative 10 plus 6 equals negative 4. For the second problem, we have a number line with both positive and negative numbers. The number we're going to start our bunny hops on is negative 1, right here. Again, we're going to take 6 bunny hops to the right because 6 is positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we landed on 5. So negative 1 plus 6 equals 5. Finally, let's do some practice with subtraction problems. So just like addition problems, the first number is going to tell you where you start your bunny hops. In this case, the first number is 7, so we're going to start our bunny hops at 7. Now we have 7 minus 4, so Because 4 is negative because of the minus sign, instead of moving to the right, we're going to move to the left on the number line. So we'll move 1, 2, 3, 4, and we land our bunny hops on 3. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. For the second problem, we have a little bit bigger of a number line, but it works just the same. So our first number is 13, which means we're going to start our bunny hops on 13. Now, because we have a minus 2, we're going to move to the left on the number line. So 1, 2. And we land on 11. So 13 minus 2 equals 11.